Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. What are these cell cycle specific and the non-specific cytotoxic agents? So first, let's categorize the cell cycle specific agents. So the specific agents, it includes the antimetabolites. So antimetabolites is nothing but the S phase and the camptothecin analogs, that is the S phase. So all these are nothing but the S phase. Then comes the taxanes. The taxanes and the vincalcaloids. The taxanes and the vincalcaloids, it includes the M phase. The antimetabolites is the S phase, the camptothecin analogs is the S phase, the taxanes and the vincalcaloids. The taxanes and the vincalcaloids, this remains as the M phase. Now the epipodophylotoxin, this is nothing but the G1S phase. Then the bleomycin. What about the bleomycin? It involves the G2M phase. G2M phase. Next comes the cell cycle non-specific agents. The cell cycle non-specific agents, these are nothing but the alkylating agents, the platinum analogs, the anthracyclines, it is the anthracyclines, as well as the mitotoxin and the dactinomycin. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.